I'm doing my shoes repair on this one because it's damaged. Kuya will do it for me and I'm waiting here. And he's doing some shoes of the woman for repairing. So it's finished. So this is her his job here, repairing a shoes here in Tangier. So look at it guys, how it works. To make it good, it should be with a fire. Yeah. So this is the client here. So he's doing this one. Shoes repair. This is how the shoes done. And it's a nice shoes here. Let's see. So making new again for the shoes. Okay. And this is mine guys. Still waiting to repair. This is the shoes. It's done. And well done again. Look. It's all repaired. He's shaping and forming the shoes from old to new with the machine. So this is how it's done, and wait for the finish. It's look like new again. Wow, it's amazing. It's new again, so I can use it. Amazing. Alright. Shukran kuya. Shukran. Hey guys, look, I'm here sitting and waiting to do my shoes. Look how kuya do the shoes for me. Waiting an hour, guys, to make the shoes. So I'm here. Look. This is how the shoes done. So if you want to come here for shoes repair, this is Tangier. Look. This is the store here. So I'm here in the store, guys. With the shoes. So this is the street here and the store, and I am waiting for my shoes to repair. So this is how it's done now. Making a fire to make it well and change. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be back. Yes. So I can use it, and this is old one, but I need to repair because it's nice to use in the feet. It's very soft and lighter. So this is a long time ago, and this is how it's done, from the old to new. Wow, amazing.
السلام عليكم. يلا شيتو.
Alright guys, look, it's look like new again.
عزيز بخير كل شيء مزيان
مزيان
تحت بارك الله
مازال وحده واجده وحده عاد دبرت لها السلسله
السلسله واحد صافي شوف
الله فيهم شويه د الخدمه
So this is the
اعطيني انا
finish.
خليني لك
واخا
Wow.
واخا اولا مزروب
لا خليه خذ راحتك
هي
And this is the one pair and the next pair. He's doing measures. Now it's back to new from old.